So I first want to say a little bit about the Sustainable Development Goals, the SDGs. So the interesting thing about these goals is that they're very much interrelated. So if you want to alleviate poverty, education is a good way to start. And if you start educating people, you start empowering people, you start empowering women, and you probably contribute to gender equality as well. So even within that little thought experiment, we already have three goals that are related. So what we're really trying to do here is to try and understand the concepts around these SDGs and make that help us understand the connections between them, the relationships between them. And that's something that is very well done with knowledge graphs, of course. There's all kinds of algorithms in knowledge graphs that can help us do that. And that's really what we want to achieve with this workshop.